Hi again, guys. Okay, this tutorial we're gonna go over how to make life easier by saving meals that you eat frequently. So this is awesome because if you're getting into the rhythm and you found meals and snacks that really work for you, you can actually save them and just use them for the next day. And it makes it real simple. So I'm going to take us over to the app. Okay, so I entered in all of these informations. If you guys visited in the previous tutorial about entering accuracy, you'll see that I've made a burrito. So if I wanted to save this as a meal, I would press these little buttons in the bottom right-hand corner and go to save as meal. I can name the meal, so I can basically say, Shannon's burrito dinner, and then go ahead and press save. I'll do this. I will press save up here. And now if I wanted to find it, I can go into view my meals and it's going to be under this meal tab. And you can see it right here. If I ever wanted to go in and maybe make some adjustments or add directions as to how to make the meal, I could do so inside. And I can edit it. So if I wanted to take some things out, if I wanted to modify, I can go ahead and edit it. And I can take a photo. So this is awesome because it will give you the opportunity to find it, reuse it, and all right, so we're gonna go all the way back here. So now I can also show you guys about recent food items. So if I just entered in all of the ingredients for that burrito, that dinner meal, I can see all of the most recent food items and reuse them again. I can see the most frequent food items that I've used. I can see my foods that have lots of alcohol because I've created lots of alcohol for clients, meals that I've created, and recipes. We'll get into recipes at a different time, but you can see we've got lots of recipes to share with you guys through this app.